How to publish app on Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to publish an app on Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 on your browser and then sign in to your account. And then once you're signed into your account, go ahead and create an app by entering a prompt into this section. Or if you already have an app, simply click on this apps tab. And then in here, you'll be able to find all of the apps that you have created for the specific account. And then go ahead and open that specific app that you want to publish. So once you have access to the app, go ahead and finalize the details of the app. So go ahead and check the preview of this app first and check if there are missing informations that needed to be added in here. So once you have finalized this, click on this publish button at the top right. And as you can see, you can actually publish this app on Base44. So you'll be able to find it on this specific domain. So once you open it into a new tab, you'll be able to view this website on this specific domain. So make sure to click on this publish app button to be able to publicly access this website and publish your app on web with Base44. And that is how you can basically publish app on Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.